Hi, welcome to Microbiogen Academy YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered if biotechnology is the right career for you? Are biotechnology graduates really in demand? What kind of jobs can you get after completing B.Sc or M.Sc in biotechnology? Can you build a successful career in India or even abroad? And perhaps the biggest question of all, how much salary can a biotechnology professional actually earn? If these questions have ever crossed your mind, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, we'll explore everything you need to know about biotechnology as a career, from its scope and current demand to job opportunities, salary packages, essential skills, and future prospects. So, make sure you watch this video till the very end, because this information could help you make one of the most important decisions of your career. Let's get started! What is biotechnology? Before we talk about careers, let's first understand what biotechnology actually is. Biotechnology is one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields of science. It combines biology with chemistry, genetics, microbiology, biochemistry, molecular biology, bioinformatics, engineering, and even artificial intelligence to create innovative products and technologies that improve human life. Think about life-saving vaccines, insulin used by millions of diabetic patients, disease-resistant crops, gene therapy, DNA fingerprinting, biofuels, or personalized medicine. All of these remarkable innovations are possible because of biotechnology. Simply put, biotechnology uses living organisms, cells, or biological molecules to solve real-world problems and improve the quality of life. Why is biotechnology important today? The importance of biotechnology has grown tremendously over the past few years. The COVID-19 pandemic clearly demonstrated how essential biotechnology is for rapid vaccine development, molecular diagnostics, and advanced medical research. Today, revolutionary technologies such as CRISPR gene editing, artificial intelligence in drug discovery, synthetic biology, stem cell research, precision medicine, genome sequencing, and biopharmaceutical manufacturing are transforming healthcare and creating exciting career opportunities. Across the world, governments and private companies are investing billions of dollars in biotechnology, research, and innovation. As a result, biotechnology has become one of the fastest-growing scientific industries globally. Career opportunities? Now, let's discuss one of the most important questions. What career options are available after biotechnology? Whether you've completed a B.Sc, M.Sc, M.Tech, or Ph.D. in biotechnology or any related life science discipline, there are numerous career paths you can choose from. You can work as a research scientist, a research associate, a molecular biologist, a microbiologist, a geneticist, a bioinformatician, a clinical research associate, a quality control or quality assurance officer, a production executive, a medical writer, a regulatory affairs specialist, a patent analyst, an application scientist, a technical sales specialist, or even an agricultural, environmental, or food biotechnologist. Career opportunities are available in pharmaceutical companies, vaccine manufacturing industries, biotechnology startups, contract research organizations, also known as CROs, diagnostic laboratories, hospitals, food industries, agricultural companies, environmental organizations, universities, and government research institutes. You can also build a career in prestigious organizations such as DBT, CSIR, ICMR, ICAR, IISC, IITs, AIMs, Barrick-supported startups, multinational pharmaceutical companies, and many leading biotechnology organizations across India and around the world. Current demand and salary. So, what is the current demand for biotechnology professionals? The answer is very encouraging. The demand continues to grow rapidly, especially in areas such as biopharmaceuticals, vaccine manufacturing, molecular diagnostics, genomics, bioinformatics, cell and gene therapy, and industrial biotechnology. Today, companies are not only looking for academic qualifications, they also value practical laboratory experience, internships, research projects, and technical skills. Let's talk about salaries. While salaries vary depending on your qualifications, skills, experience, and the organization you join, here is a general idea. A B.Sc biotechnology fresher can typically expect a salary of around 2.5 to 5 lakh rupees per year. An M.Sc Biotechnology graduate may receive approximately 4 to 8 lakh rupees annually. Professionals with a few years of experience can earn anywhere between 8 and 20 lakh rupees per year. And senior scientists, research leaders, or highly specialized biotechnology experts can earn 20 lakh to 50 lakh rupees annually, or even more. If you plan to work abroad in countries like the United States, Germany, the United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, or Australia, salary packages are often much higher, especially for candidates with advanced degrees and specialized expertise. Now, let's discuss something that is even more important than your degree: the skills you develop. To build a successful career in biotechnology, you should focus on gaining strong practical laboratory experience. Learn molecular biology techniques, microbiology, genetics, bioinformatics, scientific writing, data analysis, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Participate in internships, work on research projects, earn relevant certifications, and most importantly, keep learning. Biotechnology is a rapidly evolving field, and continuous learning is the key to long-term success. If you're passionate about science, if you enjoy solving real-world problems, and if you dream of contributing to healthcare, agriculture, environmental sustainability, or groundbreaking scientific discoveries, then biotechnology could be the perfect career for you. I hope this video has helped you understand the exciting opportunities available in this field. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Microbiogen Academy of Life Sciences for more informative videos on biotechnology, microbiology, genetics, molecular biology, career guidance, and competitive exam preparation. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep growing. Take care.